although lawsuit accusing U.S. officials of complicity in the genocide in Gaza was dismissed. Advocates say verdict is a victory. A U.S. federal court has dismissed a lawsuit accusing President Joe Biden and other senior U.S. officials of being complicit in Israel's alleged genocide in Gaza. Still, the court's decision encouraged Biden and his colleagues to examine the consequences of their relentless support for Israel, including its human rights implications. U.S. District Court Judge Jeffrey White dismissed case late Wednesday on procedural grounds, citing the separation of powers under U.S. Constitution. In his decision, he said that disputes regarding foreign policy are considered non-justiciable political issues and fall outside his jurisdiction. There are rare cases where the preferred outcome is inaccessible to the court. The court is bound by precedent and divisions among the coordinated branches of government to refrain from exercising jurisdiction in this matter. He wrote. However, White added that, as the International Court of Justice stated in its interim ruling last month, it is reasonable for Israel's behavior to amount to genocide. The case comes as Biden administration faces growing pressure to end unwavering U.S. support for Israel during the Gaza war, which has killed more than 27,000 Palestinians since beginning of October. In the complaint filed by human rights groups Palestinians affected by the war late last year, Biden, Secretary of State Antony Blinken and Defense Secretary Lloyd were accused of failing to fulfill their responsibilities under international domestic law to prevent genocide. The lawsuit claimed that the United States, which provides billions of dollars of military aid to Israel every year, was obliged to use its clear and significant influence on Israel. It also noted dehumanizing statements by senior Israeli officials, including Defense Minister Yoav Gallant, to demonstrate their intent to destroy the Palestinians. While Israel denied accusation, international law experts said the ing of Gaza and restrictions on entry of water, food and other humanitarian supplies could amount to genocide. The 1948 Genocide Convention, ratified by the United States, states that genocide, whether committed in time of peace or war, is a crime that state parties undertake to prevent and punish in accordance with international law. Stop Deadly Acts. Katherine Gallagher, senior attorney at Center for Constitutional Rights, a nonprofit organization involved in case, said judge's decision confirms that what Palestinian population in Gaza endured is a campaign to destroy an entire people, that is, genocide. Gallagher said in a statement that the decision also confirms that the United States' relentless support for Israel has enabled tens of thousands of Palestinians to be killed and millions to face famine. While we strongly disagree with court's final judicial decision, we urge the Biden